Okay, hello again, and this time we're going to look at the difference between boundaries and control. Now, boundaries define what you will do to protect yourself, whereas control attempts to manage other people's behavior. So the boundary is about you protecting you rather than managing other people's behavior. So when boundaries are unclear, people often resort to control out of desperation and they start managing other people, which is not the same as setting a clear boundary. Clear boundaries restore a sense of agency, of being assertive, not aggressive. And when you have clear boundaries and a clear sense of, I'd like you to stop doing that, just clear, it reduces conflict because they clarify responsibility. Um, it, I'm taking care of me, and you need to take responsibility for your behavior. So it's being assertive and it's being clear. But when we're young and confused and people are behaving in bizarre ways, um, we don't actually understand what's okay and what's not okay. So your three questions for this video are: where do you notice yourself trying to manage others' reactions? Where you're trying to appease and please, and you're anticipating a behavior that you don't want, so you're appeasing and pleasing. So just and what does that mean? Are you trying to control them, or are you setting a boundary? And second question is, what might change if you focused on your own limits instead? Um, would that be setting a boundary, or would that be controlling? Um, what might change if you focused on your own limits um, instead? You can say, yeah, I don't like that. Can you please stop it? How does responsibility feel different when it stays with you and you take responsibility for taking care of yourself and for protecting yourself and for saying what's okay with you and what's not okay with you? And it's okay to say, I'd like you to stop that. So I'm going to leave that with you. Leave your comments below and click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And in the next video, we'll look at, sometimes you feel a bit fearful and guilty, and so we'll clarify things a bit more for you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye.